Hi, my name is Jules.
And my name is Jules.
And today we will introduce you to SAP Joule. Over the past few years, SAP has been steadily embedding AI into its products. But with SAP Joule, SAP is taking a much bigger leap. A generative AI co-pilot designed to make SAP more intuitive, accessible, and genuinely useful for everyone who navigates through dashboards, exceptions, master data, and reports on a daily basis.
But what is Joule exactly, and what can you already do with it today? In this video, we will provide you with the latest capabilities of Joule. So, what is SAP Joule? Joule is a generative AI layer across the entire SAP ecosystem. It's not just a chatbot, but an intelligent assistant that understands enterprise data, identifies patterns, and explains insights in natural language. Whether you ask it about supply chain performance, HR trends, financial deviations, or forecasting issues, Joule sources the relevant data, analyzes it, and presents the results in clear human language answers. Now, what sets it apart? Joule is powered by your actual operational data within SAP. That means no generic AI responses. You get context-aware insights based on how your organization truly operates. Joule has been designed for three types of users, namely Joule for business, Joule for developers, and Joule for consultants. In this video, we will mainly focus on Joule for business.
Now, what can you do with it? With SAP Joule, SAP has identified 4 interaction patterns. The first, informational, where document grounding using, for example, SharePoint, allows you to control what contextual information is available to Joule through the SAP Business Technology platform, next to SAP's extensive help documentation and general application-specific knowledge. The second, transactional, where you can perform actions in SAP like creating a purchase order. So, SAP Joule can execute a business process step or update data. Third, navigational, where you can let Joule guide you to the correct transactions and even across different SAP applications. And fourth, analytical, where you can ask analytical questions while Joule leverages SAP Analytics Cloud functionality to provide clear data insights. Like many of SAP's applications, you can control which kind of actions and information are available to Joule through the use of authorizations and document grounding, for example. Next to that, Joule is controlled by skills, and skills are specific abilities that can be assigned to Joule. Examples are creating a new supplier or a new customer in your system, fetching tracking statuses, or initiate transportation processes. So, Joule's abilities are defined by the skills that are assigned to the specific Joule implementation for your organization or department. Also, skills can be created with SAP Joule Studio for a specific business scenario. And while Joule is still growing, there are already over 1,600 skills provided by SAP available to Joule. For example, to approve a purchase order or manage business partner master data. One final remark here, Joule is bidirectionally able to communicate with Microsoft 365 Copilot.
Now, how do I implement SAP Joule? Joule is a standalone functionality that is integrated into your SAP application landscape. It acts as an overlay, but is deeply integrated within the application. Joule is omnipresent. When you use Joule in IBP, for example, SAP Joule has access to your S4 system and, for example, SharePoint within the same user interface. SAP Joule is activated and maintained within the SAP Business Technology platform, also known as BTP.
We will now show you an example of how SAP Joule can work for you. Imagine, it is the end of the year, and as a sales representative you want to prepare your yearly sales price update. So let's see how Joule helps you here. We first go to Joule by clicking on the diamond icon. Here you may see some quick actions that may be relevant to you. We then ask Joule to show the prices that are due to expire at the end of this year. And in this case, it finds one condition record of €100, and we can then ask Joule to extend the validity of this condition record to the end of next year. Then we see that Joule asks us if we would like to increase or decrease the condition amount. And here we say yes, because costs have risen 10%, for example. And then Joule asks us to confirm these changes, which we confirm. And we see that new prices are being created in the background. And we can check the progress. And we see that it was successful. When we then open the new condition record, we see that 10% was used as adjustment percentage. And when we dive deeper into the condition record itself, we should see a price of 110 euros, which is correct. So including the 10% increase. And this is just one example of how Joule can work for you. We are very excited about Joule's capabilities and are curious about what the future will hold. We of course already know that life is better when you have Joule around.
We hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more about SAP Joule or AI for your organization, feel free to reach out to us by leaving a comment or visit our website.